All right, adventurers, it's time. We're about to find a treasure. Whoa! Guys. Oh! Hey everyone! I'm Dash the Adventurer, the world's greatest treasure hunter. And I love going on epic adventures to find super cool treasures. Speaking of epic, check out this view! Hey, guess what? You want to come along on my adventure today? Great! Come along. I think we'll find a clue. Come on. Ooh, guys, there's some unique terrain ahead. We gotta watch our step. Ooh, it's like a balance beam. Oh, there we go. Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Guys, we did it. Let's go. All right, adventurers. It seems to me that that was the end of this part of the path. I wonder if we might find a clue around here. Will you help me look for it? Great. I wonder where it will be. Wow, that is some burnt out grass. Oh, look at those waves. Very rocky area there, better watch out. Ooh, pretty yellow flowers. I love the color yellow. Hang on. Do you see what I see? Good job, explorers. I think we found a clue. Should we open it? Yeah. Ooh. Can you read it? I can't. It's too small. Hang on. Did I pack something that could make small things look bigger? Yes! You're right! A magnifying glass. Let's give it a try. Oh man! I can't wait to see what we find. Let's check it out. I make a crumb look like a mountain, and a drop look like a fountain. Wow, that is an excellent clue. I think we need to find another tool. And I've got an idea what kind of tool it needs to be. Because this magnifying glass would not make a crumb look like a mountain, maybe like a rock. We need a tool that's even stronger to make a crumb look like a mountain. I'll bet it's a microscope, one of my favorite kinds of tools. But I don't see a microscope anywhere around here. Nothing nearby. Hang on. Did I bring something that could help us find something that's far, far away? Of course, you're right. My binoculars. I wonder what we'll see. Can you help me find the microscope? Well, there's a beautiful ocean. Look at those waves. Wow. And I'd love to inspect that seaweed, but that's not our microscope, is it? Ooh, there's some cool boulders. Man. What? Hang on. Do you see what I see? I think that's the microscope. Let's check it out. Oh man, guys, what a super cool tool. Let me tell you why I love microscopes so much. They let us see the microscopic world that is all around us. Literally everything is more than it appears day to day. Here's how it works. A microscope has a special lens. Lens changes the appearance of something to our eye. In this case, it makes something seem 1,000 times bigger than what we could see with our eye. This is where the expanded image will appear. Now, one special thing about this microscope is it allows us to record like a camera. What do you think? Do you want to come find some things and see what they look like deep down? Let's check it out. What if we look at the sand? Wow, can you believe it? When we look at sand under a microscope, it looks like giant rocks. They're so pretty. It looks like a gemstone. That's unbelievable. Look at how these individual rocks just flow through my hands. But this microscopic world looks magical. And it's all around us. Adventurers, this made me think. Do you want to play a game with me? What if I find some super cool things and look at them with this microscope? Do you think you can guess what they are? Let's try. Look at this. What a collection of colors. There's copper, a beautiful shade of teal. It looks almost like a river. What do you think this is? That was a shell. Time for another one. Look at this brilliant green color and that texture. Let's go even closer. Look at that purple. What do you think this is? That was this leaf, believe it or not. That purple part looked huge. Ooh, look at this lovely yellow. And look at, these looks like rods coming out of the ground with nice yellow tips. Ooh, and here's even more texture. You know what it is? That was the center of this flower. Isn't that interesting? Parts of it look blue. But you know what? We got a treasure to find. What do you say we get out our magic compass? Let's do it. All right, guys, time to use the magic compass, but it'll only work if we get moving. Oh yeah! Guys, it's working! I want you to move this way. Oh yes! Oh, here we go! And here we, oh! Now that way! Oh! Oh yes! Over toward the water and then, nope! That way! Let's go! Woohoo! Guys, we're here. I can tell. I wonder if, oh! Guys, I think it's a clue. Let's take a look. Guys, can you see anything? I can't, but I've got an idea. What if the message is so small that we need to use our super cool microscope? Let's try. Wow, who knew even paper could look so cool up close with its fibers and textures? I don't see anything yet. Hang on. That spells dig. It must be our clue. Can you help me pick the tool we can use to dig? You're right. Let's use the shovel. All right, adventurers, it's time. We're about to find a treasure. Whoa! Guys, oh, look at this. Look at this unique black container and a wooden rake. And these unique structures clue me in. I've seen this kind of fantastic adventure before. It's a miniature Japanese Zen garden. If you come with me, I'll show you how it works. Let's go. In a country called Japan, people used to make giant gardens like this one. Ours is in miniature. Look at this white sand and my rake. We can use this rake to make long, beautiful rows in the sand. Don't those look kind of like waves? And I can put whatever I want in my little peaceful world. Got a bridge. And look at this little structure or shelter. But you can put whatever you want in your peace garden. What a cool treasure. What would you put in your peace garden? I'd love to see it. Great job, adventurers! We did it! We used a microscope to learn all about the microscopic world around us and to find a super cool treasure. The world is full of amazing things to discover. Want to go on another adventure with me? Great! Let's do it. I'll be back soon with another exciting journey. Make sure to like and follow to make sure you know when the next journey is coming your way. My name is Dash the Adventurer, D-A-S-H. Can you say that with me? D-A-S-H. And I can't wait to go on my next adventure with you.